Okay, we are going to make a fruit salad. What we're going to do is add our fruit into this bowl so that we can mix it together. Would you like to pick up the spoon that's on that table down there? That's what we're going to mix it with in a moment. Okay? So, to start with, what I'd like you to do is pick out, say, 8 strawberries for me and put them onto here. That would be really good. And can you peel the banana for me? You are strong! Well, Chef Sailor got that one sorted out. Well done, you can put the skin in there. Did you know you can eat banana skin? It is very tasty. We, in our culture, just tend not to, but many cultures do. And it's very sweet, and it's extra fibre, and it should be put into all sorts of different things, casseroles and things like that. Put your banana down here, lie it flat. Here you go, Sailor. You're going to hold the green knife by the handle, and then you're going to take your other hand and hold your banana. Look at that. Can you put all of those bits of banana into there for me? I'm going to take the knife away from you. So when we're doing a strawberry, what we're going to do, this is a sharp knife, okay? This is a real knife. We have to respect knives, but the sharper they are, the safer they are. You're just going to cut through. The fingers have to be at 90 degrees. That's a right angle, okay? And then we take that off. Now we have a nice flat edge. Here, strawberry is dodgy, but once we put it on a flat edge, it will stay for us. So we can use our knife then to cut it in half, down again, keep the flat edge down, and like that, okay? And that way, you are getting quarters of the strawberry. And you put that there, and I'll throw those in there. So I would like, I'm going to come near your sister, but I'd like you to do the strawberries. I'm going to stand here and watch you. My chef. We're going to keep our hands away from the blade, and we're just going to cut through. Well done. There you go. You can start cutting with your knife again. Very well done.
I need to get one of those.
Well done, darling. Okay, and now you can just do that. And notice how the way I'm holding the knife, and you are, and then how I'm holding the strawberries. Fingers either side, put the blade through. It's now on the mat. Can you feel it on the mat? But pull it towards you. Okay. Now pick those bits up. Keep hold of this knife. Do not put it down, because we do not want any of the juices of the strawberries to get in there. Can you pick the grapes off, please, and then throw them in that, or gently put. We'll go with gently put. Well done. Fingers at 90 degrees. Now, let's make that, don't worry about that. Now let's make that well done. It's safe. Move your fingers well away and take it straight down.
Nice.
Well done. Now put them onto the flat side again. We like. Very well done to move the mat. People do not always realize that they can move things. Well done. Well done. I hope you're ready for lots of fruit salad to take home. Doing very well. Okay, on you go with your next one, and I'll only, 90 degrees for those fingers, please. 90 degrees, so 90 degrees. 90 degrees is a right angle. That's it. Very well done, chef. Very well done. Keep going. You are setting so well done for moving it. That's it. Move it again. That's it. You want it. And now what you'd like you to do is cut through the other strawberry. But you realised that, didn't you? So making sure that we have, there you go. Do it again with one more strawberry. Thank you. Whoopsie. Let's put it in there with that. Now you can put in, how's your counting? Is it any good? I bet it's good. Let's count up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There we go. Do you want to put one in our mouth? Do you want to eat one? Go on then, put one in your mouth. They are my favourite fruit. I grew up in Scotland. The best raspberries come from Scotland. Just telling you. Very well done. So you've got lots of strawberries. Do you want to give it a little stir? We've got some really chunky bananas in there, Mum. Well done. And it's quite colourful, isn't it? Now, can you tell me what normally happens to bananas once we've peeled them? They go brown. A bit like apples. Have you seen a banana that's gone a little brown? Now, the way to stop that is to put a little bit of citric acid on, which generally speaking means lemon juice or lime juice in the catering world. What you're going to do is put the lime in here and get both hands, hold the bottom. Which hand do you write with? This one. Okay, so hold with this, push with that. Whatever hand you write with is likely to be your dominant hand in the kitchen. Now just push, push. And I am just going to help you because it does take. There you go. Now do it again. I'm not pushing. This has got to be you. Go on, push, push, build those muscles. Well done. Keep going. Whoa, look at that. What it will do is it will keep all of this fruit from going brown. Now that is a very pretty fruit salad, isn't it? I think you did very, very well.
Gorgeous.
There we go.